in order to show you the new iPhone 10, the unboxing video. I was excited to share the experience with you guys, so I decided to do this in my car. Something a little different, but I got two iPhone 10s, and I have the 256 gigabytes. I have two space gray models because they didn't have the silver when I pre-ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this iPhone for you guys and show you what comes inside the box. This is a brand new device from Apple. Maybe there's something new, so let's go ahead and do that. First thing is designed by Apple in California. There it is. There's the iPhone. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and put this down and show you what's inside this little pouch. So we have the hello instructions manual. You can see there for the Face ID instructions. Shows you how to swipe up to go home. So just overall instructions on how to use your iPhone 10, because you're going to need them. It's a lot of new stuff happening with the new iPhone 10, so you're going to need instructions, or some people will, unless you watch my channel, of course. More Apple stickers. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Here is the phone, and boot it out of the box here. Kind of funny, has a little tab there at the bottom showing that, you know, the new multitasking bar at the bottom of the screen. So we'll put the iPhone to the side here for a second, and inside the box, as usual, you get the headphones with the adapter. Apple still ships the adapter. We also have this sync and charge cable in the brick, and that's it. So here it is. Get a closer look. This is the new iPhone 10. It is crazy to finally see it in real life. You know, so many rumors, so many things that were said about the new iPhones, and now we finally have the new iPhone after months and months of speculation. There it is. Wow. I have to say it feels a little heavier than the iPhone 8. Right here we have on the side, ring and mute switch, volume up and down, power, SIM tray, lightning port, speaker, microphone, the camera on the back. There it is. So there it is. Wow. All I had to do was press once, and there it is. So let me go ahead and activate this iPhone, and I'll be right back. So this part I wanted to share with you guys because it is a brand new process for the setup screens here. And of course it's going to be Face ID setup. So we're going to go ahead and set up Face ID for the first time. Easy enough. This is another new section of the setup screens that you see here. You get some instructions on how to use the function area at the bottom of the screen, which of course I'm going to get to here on my channel, but you get some instructions on how to use the new home button. Switch between recent applications, you get that panel as well. You also get some quick access to control center, shows you how to do that. So all these little clips that show you how to use your new iPhone 10. To get started, swipe up, and there it is. If you haven't seen one of these phones in person, head on over to your local Apple store and take a look at one. You know, I wonder what version of iOS is running on this device. Let's go here, and 11.01. So it did ship with 11.01. I'm not going to update just yet. I'm going to wait. I'm going to update one of the iPhones to 11.1, and I'm going to leave this one on 11.01. So I can compare some of the performance and battery and things like that in the future, hopefully. So there you guys have it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you going to get the new iPhone 10? Did you pre-order, or are you still in line for it? Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and much more videos coming your way. Be sure to stay tuned. It's been iDevice Help, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.